Welcome to Zimbrick European. My name is Sunny and I'm the Business Development Manager here at our store. You've just seen how to drop your car off for service with Bert, and I'm going to take you on a short tour of the next steps. Behind me, you will see our service advisors, and they will come out and greet you for your appointment and then walk you into their little office area and write the paperwork up. So we're going to walk through the service prep area and the customer lounge as the next steps. Follow me. So this is our service prep area, and you'll meet with your service advisor, and they will get the paperwork ready and get the car into the shop. You may also be picking up your vehicle and dropping it off and waiting in our customer lounge. So if you're waiting in our customer lounge, I'm going to show you a couple of our highlighted amenities that you can have while you're here. Follow me. We'll pass through our Porsche lounge here area on our way to our first stop, which is the Quatro Cafe. Here at our Quatro Cafe is our latte lounge. It makes over 60 to 70 different combinations between coffee, cappuccino, macchiato, hot chocolate. Possibilities are endless. We also have a couple hot teas as options as well too, if you are more of a tea drinker and are recovering from a cold or just want something to warm you up in that nice cold weather. If you walk a little bit further, we'll walk to our customer lounge area. While your vehicle is being serviced, we do have a nice waiting area that you can sit and lounge and watch a Brewers game or a Badger game if you choose to, or the news. While you're here for service as well, if you are stopping in and waiting, you may also have some work to do. We do have free Wi-Fi here at our dealership, so please be sure to ask a representative if you need help getting onto our Wi-Fi. We do have a table behind you that you can sit at and do your work at if you choose to, just so there's no distractions as well. A little bit further up here, we do have some accessories here in our boutique area. If you are interested in purchasing a gift for someone or just for yourself, you'll see that I am wearing one of our Audi jackets. We have a plethora of women's jackets, hats, men's shirts, hats, and lots of other merchandise as well. So we're gonna walk back through. One other thing that I didn't highlight is the refrigerator, which is fully stocked of juices, sodas, water, and yogurt. So let's walk back by that. This is a little table that I was talking about if you had some extra work that you wanted just to sit and hang out and do a conference call or just catch up on your news, whatever it may be. This is our fully stocked refrigerator. Please help yourself to soda, water, iced tea, or yogurt should you need something to snack on or just wanted to grab something for the road. On your way out the door, there's one more highlighted spot that I want to show you where there's some extra goodies, especially if you have some kids with you. They like our snacks. When you are picking up your vehicle for service, you will check out here at our front counter with one of the ladies. And one of the last features that you can grab on your way out is a snack. And my favorite are the cookies. So stop on by and grab a cookie on your way out the door, and we thank you for your business. Have a great day. Thanks for taking the time today to walk with me through our service prep area and our customer lounge area and highlighting some of our amenities. Please click the link below to schedule a future service appointment. In our upcoming video, we'll teach you how to schedule an appointment online. Stay tuned. Thanks for coming. Have a great day.